Have you ever thought about converting your PDF file into a Word file so that you can edit all the text in your file? We have a sample PDF file here. I will open it. As you see, I cannot edit this text in any way. All right, let's go Google and search for PDF to Word. And we see that there are many websites, but the best one you can trust is Adobe. Don't worry, it's free. You should select a file. I'm choosing my file. Okay, it's uploading right now. It will take just a few seconds. And here we go. We can download with this button. Download completed. Click on the file. I'm using LibreOffice to open it, but you can open this Word file with also Microsoft Word, okay? Now I can click on text and change something. For example, I can say heart, and for example, let's say upload. This is a Word file. I can modify this file as I want. If you want to learn more tricks, just subscribe to my channel for free. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.